Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how to make flower envelope card in easy steps. So here we begin. Draw a circle with 5 cm radius. Then cut 6 arcs with same radius on the boundary of the circle. Now join lines in this way. This will make a hexagonal shape. Now join in this manner in star shape. Now mark at midpoint on each side of hexagon. Draw semicircle from each midpoint. Draw lines from midpoint like this. Now cut this figure so the figure is ready. Fold along a dotted lines in this manner. So we are almost done. Now fold in this way and the flower is ready. So let's try. Thank you.